most important thing that you have going on with you is your mind. And if you're not conditioning your mind, like I said earlier, somebody else is. If you don't have a plan for yourself, somebody else has got a plan for you. So you want to build up a program that's so powerful that it's impervious to what the rest of the world is going on in the world. It doesn't matter what's going on in the world because you're so conditioned. I get to this point now where there's one of the statements of truth that says God is life. And I know that if God is life, I'm created in the image and out of the likeness of God. There must be a life force capable of healing me of anything I may be going through. So there was a brother that came in here earlier. He said, man, I will shake your hand. He said, but I don't want to get you sick. I said, you don't have that power to get me sick. You know, and so when people say things like that, and I don't mean sarcastically or egotistically, but I'm just so conditioned, I don't believe that what you have can ever get me sick. Because I know there's something in me that's great. And I can say this as somebody who's overcome cancer 29 years ago, drug addiction 28 years, Hep C, nicotine addiction. I know that there's a force field of life and health and wholeness capable of healing us of anything that we may be going through. But we have to believe in that more than we believe in sickness. And so sometimes when people come up to me and they say, hey man, the economy sucks, there ain't no job, red flags begin to go off for me. You know, because it just doesn't resonate with me. Wow, that's not true. We live in a world of infinite possibilities. That the only limitations that exist are the ones we accepted for ourselves. So when people talk about, well, you know, I don't trust women, I don't trust guys, hold it. We live in a universe based in love. Whether you're in a relationship or not, you're always in love. In love, you live, move, and have your being. So this is what I was talking about earlier, that it doesn't matter what's going on out here. Metaphysically means that we're living beyond the conditions and the circumstances. We're not judging by appearances, but we're judging righteously. And to judge righteously is to see the best case scenario that life has to offer. Somebody said one day, kidding, jokingly, right? Sherman is the only guy I know that could be in prison, and he'd tell you he's living in a gated community. You know? Well, we always got a choice on how we want to see things, right?